In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create stunning Instagram posts using Canva. Whether you're sharing life updates, promoting your brand, or just having fun with design, this step-by-step guide will help you create posts that look professional while staying quick and easy to make. Let's begin your creative journey with Canva. First things first, head over to Canva's website. If you haven't already, log into your account or sign up if you're new to the platform. Once you're in, you'll see a search bar at the top of the homepage. Type Instagram post into the search bar and hit enter. This will bring up a collection of templates perfectly sized for Instagram. Canva's vast library includes designs optimized for performance, engagement, and visual appeal. As you scroll through the options, you'll see a mix of free and premium templates. Since we're focusing on free ones, simply avoid any design with the crown icon. Browse through different styles, themes, and layouts until you find one that resonates with the look you want for your post. Choosing the right template is important because it sets a tone for your entire design, so feel free to take your time exploring. Once you've found a template you like, click on it to open its preview page. You'll see a button that says Customize this template. Click it, and Canva will take you straight into the editor. This is where the fun begins. You now have full control to modify the template however you like. You can change the text, replace images, adjust colors, add graphics, or rearrange elements to match your brand or message. As you fine-tune your design, make sure every change supports the story you want your audience to see. Whether you're highlighting a quote, announcing a sale, or sharing a personal update, your choices should align with the overall mood you want your audience to feel. The cleaner and clearer your layout is, the easier it will be for viewers to understand and connect with your message. To enhance your design further, look for a feature called Highlight in the customization options. Clicking on it allows you to emphasize important areas of your design, like key text or crucial visuals. This is perfect for drawing attention to promotions, reminders, or anything you want your viewers to immediately notice. When used correctly, this feature helps guide the viewer's eye and increases the effectiveness of your post. And that's it. Your beautifully customized Instagram post is complete. You can now save your design and share it directly to Instagram, knowing it's polished, eye-catching, and ready to stand out in the feed. Remember, the more you practice, the easier it will become to create unique and professional-looking posts each time. Thank you for watching, and happy designing.